NZXT H500 expands on our vision for modern PC building and improves upon the best features found on our most popular cases. With an intuitive design and performance-optimized layout, the H500 makes it easier than ever for you to build and show off your PC like never before. We've simplified the entire building process by reimagining cable management solutions to easily accommodate all types of builds. With an integrated cable management kit and a repositionable cable management bar, tuck away cables and spend less time managing the clutter. With a removable front radiator bracket and integrated reservoir mount, installing all-in-one liquid coolers or assembling custom water cooling loops is painless inside or outside the case. The entire layout is optimized for excellent airflow and provides enough space for you to install hardware in multiple configurations. From our quick-release SSD mounts, PSU shroud and motherboard tray to our vertical graphics card support, available on the H500i. Customize your build for performance. Integrated RGB lighting and fan control is available on our H500i to builders who want those features built into the case without having to install them. The H500i comes with pre-installed smart device with integrated lighting and fan control, as well as adaptive noise reduction functionality. The NZXT H500s are available now in white, black, red, and blue at all authorized retail locations, and you can learn more about it at nzxt.com.